Hello, John Dilworth here. Do you see what I see? I'm only going to take my eyes off it momentarily to discuss the matter with you. We had to animate that. How would we do it? There's so much business going on in the base here. Look at that. And along the edge, principally, this is how it is attacked by its outline. We draw that. And the same back here. And then this lovely here, this little split, this rock. I love that. Just splits away. It's just a little detail. Well, obviously it's so super fast. They're on one. But there is a sense of a cycle. I believe that with action like this, to see a very satisfying cycle that just goes on infinity, whatever infinity is. And then what will this little waterfall represent if we had to write a story and use this phenomenon as an element, a metaphor? What would it be? What would it represent? Some say the eternal passing of time, eons and eons, as it just unloads, or just continues the cycle of living, of life. My head was somewhere else. I love this little brook business here and these trees that are cutting and this it's a beautiful layout. Even you can do without that. Just maybe extend, or maybe it's there, who knows. You could put a sign. You could put a sign of some kind of demure or humor. That's the lesson, the last. To observe its meaning. There is no meaning. We give it meaning. Just because we all agree that's a waterfall. Is that a waterfall? And anyway, what will it do for our lives to know this? How do we improve it? By this knowledge. You can write answers. You can upload your answers. I know there are many animator philosophers out there. This is how we close the decade and proceed forward to the endless waterfall of time. Stay animated.